Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world. You're on YouTube Tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the like button so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about OnePlus 7. Let's have a look. The OnePlus 60 released last fall held up the company tradition on flagship specs and features at a mid-range price. But we will already starting to hear about the company next phone, the OnePlus 7. Mind you, it's not much yet. OnePlus is keeping mum on how its next phone will improve on the OnePlus 60, which include the first in-screen fingerprint sensor on a phone sold on Europe and US. But the Chinese company has stated that the OnePlus 7 will accomplish different milestones. It may be one of the first phones to come with Snapdragon 855 chipset. This chip is built using a similar 7nm process, so you can expect it to be significantly faster and more efficient than 2018 Snapdragon 845. We have already seen some of the performance gains that can be made using such as process with a Apple A12 and the Kirin 980, both of which outperformed the Snapdragon 845 or key metrics. OnePlus always packs its phone full of cutting-edge specs and features, yet it always stickers with full HD screen, which is not matched for most of the top-end flagship. That way will be keeping costs down, but it's time to the range made the jump to QHD, especially given that its screen are getting bigger, so we want to see that happen for the OnePlus 7. There is no word on what the OnePlus 7 will cost, but the OnePlus 60 started at $549 US, £499 and $599 Australian US dollars. And prices have been gradually creeping up since the range began, so we would expect the OnePlus 7 will cost at least that much, if not more. If you want 5G, though, you might have to pay a lot more. OnePlus has confirmed that it's working on a 5G phone, and whilst it's not known whether the OnePlus 7 will support 5G, the company's CEO has said that its 5G handset will cost between $200 and $300 US, more than its next 4G device. We know the company is working on both a 5G and 4G phone, but it's not clear whether the 5G phone is a variant or a completely different models. Either way, though, you should be able to get a OnePlus 4G phone if you are not pay up to paying that much. We can also expect the OnePlus 7 to feature in the display fingerprint sensor of the OnePlus 60, hopefully a faster, more efficient version. Despite having a glass back on the OnePlus 6 does not support wireless charging, which seems like a major omission for a flagship phone. This is probably a cost-cutting measure, and it seems responsible since we would adopt wireless charging is a heavily used feature, but it would be a nice to have. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding OnePlus 7. Tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, then you will receive our upcoming videos. Peace out, take care, bye bye.